Alright, what's up everybody? It is Monday, starting the week off again. Got 3 stocks on the list today. Well, 6 stocks on the list. 3 of them looking for an opening play here. Got all my new things in order. Just gotta see something set up here. I'm almost positive it's gonna be a circuit breaker. Once it pulls up here, I don't think I'll be getting in this one. It ain't looking like it. Nothing here. Maybe CBI. That's still wrong. I don't know why Lightspeed keeps doing that. Could short it under 12. Another circuit breaker. Say what, the view app is ridiculous. I know that's not right. I don't know, it's a pretty big opening candle on CBI, especially for a $12 stock. That's a 70-cent move there. It looks like the low is actually 12.12, so I could be shorting it into this. Either way, it doesn't look like it's setting up, so. Lightspeed just can't get these charts right. I don't know what is going on. Here's he might set up for an opening range. If you get some kind of consolidation here, I can take it short underneath. I already beat the pre-market lows. If we get a green candle here, I can think about shorting it underneath it. Its average true range is $2, $2.50, so we're not outside of that yet. And definitely below the pre-market. Alright, I'll look the short here underneath. So we got 62. Oh, jeez. Come on. If I see 62, I'm in. Oh, wow. That was a little bit too fast. Didn't even see 62, just jumped straight to 50. Jeez. Well, that would have been a good trade. Let's go back and look at the recording on that. I want to see what the tape looked like, because there wasn't even a chance I was getting in that one. Alright, well, this is pretty ugly here. There's nothing going on this morning, so I don't know. I'll flip back on if I see something. Okay, I'm looking at CBI here, thinking it's gonna drop. If it gets down into the 70s, I want to short it. As soon as I see a 79 in here, I want to take it short underneath VWAP. Everything around it's dropping right now. Sector, FANG stocks. And it's been kind of bouncing around in here for a while. Can't really make up its mind. Bounced off of it once, but it keeps coming back for more, so thinking this might be the time now that the 20's kind of around it, but it's failed both ways so far. Let's see, enter at 79, risk will be about 92. It's only 13 cents. Let's get another pop here. Might have to come back to it. Alright, 79, I'm in. There's definitely some hidden buyers been all over the place in this stock. There was some at 90, and every time it gets down a little lower, it keeps getting more and more. Alright, so we're looking for the low 50 or the low 60s. So far, I'm not thrilled. everything's still dropping around it. See what it does here. See these big numbers starting to show up now. Might be seeing a move here. We'll see it's 64. 64 I'll start taking. What are we gonna do here? Volume looks really good. There we go. Come on. We'll see some red candles. Doji might come back for VWAP here. Stop loss is still the same. I got the 20 up there now. If it breaks VWAP here, I might be in trouble, because if we see a short squeeze, I definitely don't want to get caught in that. So hopefully we can hold it here. Everything's still dropping. Everything is dropping real bad. I don't know. If we get back above AI, there it is. I need to get out. It's gonna get worse. Yeah, well, it either does or it doesn't, so I guess I should be happy I got out when I did. That's the second VWAP drop trade that I took too, that I got trapped in as well. I think that NVIDIA bearish engulfing was kind of one too, but oh well, too bad. Alright, I think I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna have to end my day with a loss. Volume's really drying off. Nothing else is really picking up, so I'm just gonna have to call it. Only trade that I took was CBI short. See, it had a pretty nice spike at the open. Came back, retested VWAP, failed to break it, failed to move higher, came back to VWAP again, failed to break it, failed to move higher again. Plus, we had the 20 coming down on it, and the 9 was starting to act as pretty good resistance. So I figured it. At the same time too, I mean, the SPY was dropping, sector, the fangs, everything was really moving down, so I figured it would be a really good short. Shorted as soon as it hit 79, I wanted to get short. Immediately from the first time I entered the trade, I didn't really like much of anything. Volume slowed down on it, there was not any red, price wasn't moving, so I figured if it's either going to be a slow grind down or there's not going to be really any good break, which is... This is another breakout trade, basically. You know, the plan is that everybody that's long up here sells their shares, obviously causing the price to move down, but that just wasn't the case. It ended up being pretty much the exact opposite. I guess any shorts that got caught in here like me got squeezed out right up in here and then just kind of slowly grinded higher for the rest of the day. So really the only thing, I guess I was aware of it while I was in the trade, but I can't just tell myself, alright, let's get out here for a super tiny winner or loser when I still haven't even given the trade a chance to work. So what I wanted to do is at least let it get up here for some kind of retest, but I mean, it's squeezed up there, and I just, I knew it was a short squeeze, so I just needed to get out. Really not much else there's to say about it. I want to go back and look at all of my really old trades and see the good view app drops compared to the bad ones, how the tape was acting on the good ones, whatnot. And something that I actually just noticed with my stats here is that this is the time of day thing. So you can see any trades. So this one is from 6:30 to 6:45, and then 6:45 to 7. So you can see all of my winners are in the first 15 minutes of the day, and then from there on, I'm just negative, really. Just looking at all these numbers, you see it's negative 881 compared to the first 15 minutes where I'm up about $1,000. So I mean, that's just another thing to pay attention to. Wherever, if I get a trade early on in the day, chances are it's going to be a winner, and I need to take as much advantage of that as I possibly can. And then, if I'm taking a trade a little bit later in the day, a little later in the morning, I need to be making really sure that it's a good trade and I'm not, just throwing my money away still. So finishing the day down $88 is what it is. Not terrible. I'll just have to come back tomorrow and make it again. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching.